Hello everyone! Today I'm going to build a simple hospital emergency room simulation using C++. Let's imagine a scenario where multiple patients arrive and the most critical cases need to be treated first. Today I'll be using a priority queue to handle this situation. So the goal here is to take in patient information, specifically their name and how serious their condition is, and then determine the order in which they should be treated based on their priority. Getting started here, I first include the libraries that I need to do this project, so the iOS stream, the queue, and the string. Here I also include the namespaces so that I don't have to refer to that over and over in the code. I just deal with it one time. Next, I define the patient struct. In the struct, it has two properties, name and priority. And I also overload the operator so that the priority queue understands that the higher the number means the more severe the case. Normally in C++, smaller values come first, but here we're reversing it. Continuing the program, I create the main function. Here I declare a priority queue that stores the patient's objects. This data structure will automatically keep the most urgent patient at the top. For the input, I run a for loop 5 times to accept the patient name and the priority of the user. Each new patient is added to the queue using the pq push function. Complete, it's finally time we print the order in which the patients will be treated. The patient with the highest priority is at the top of the queue, and we remove them one by one using the pq.pop function. For the code, so I go ahead and save this file into a folder that I created. Here when I save it, I run into an error, so I go ahead and fix that, and then I run it using the terminal. It's running. I start to put in some info. So I start with Alice with a priority of 2. And then I move on to Bob with a priority of 5. Next I do Charlie with a priority of 1. Then David with 4. And then lastly I do Eva with 3. So then it prints the order of the treatment, which is Bob, followed by David, then Eva, Alice, and Charlie. And that's it. That's how hospitals might prioritize patients using C++. It's a great example of how data structures can solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching.